So I had to restart. I was doing the assignment, but then I got interrupted. So let's restart. So I did this in class. I went ahead and I crossed off 7 through 14, and then what I did is 2 through 6. So I had to find out how many students were in each bus, so we take students divided by buses. So 192 divided by 4 gives me 48. 357 divided by 5 gives me 71.4 miles per hour. But on number 4, we had to put money first. So we had to take 23.6 divided by 8 because that's what they wanted. So it's $2.95 per duck. Same thing here. What was the price per pound? So 33.49 divided by 10 gave me 3.49 or 3.49. So the 9 made the 4 become a 5. And then number 6, 30 eggs divided by 12 gave me 2.5 eggs per chicken. Then what I said is on number 13 or 15 we did in class, and then I said cross off 19 and 20. So I took 12 bars divided by $10, so that's 1 bar for $1.20. So how many bars do I get for $4? So I'm paying for 1 bar for $1.25. So the better deal is $12 for 5 bars. Number 17. A box of 84 penguins for $13,597. So on number 16, what actually makes more sense is how much money. So let's go ahead and take 84 divided by, and actually what we typically do is we go ahead and take the money divided by the penguins, the 84. So I'm going to go ahead and do it backwards. So I'm going to put money. How much money do I pay for 1 penguin? So $13,597 divided by 84 gives me 161.87 per 1 box of penguins. So 795, so 795.95 divided by 50, I pay only $15.92. So this is a way better deal. Way better deal. All right. 5 gallons of buckets of paint for $97.45. So how much? So $97.45 divided by 5 gives me, so for 1 bucket, I have to pay $19.49. Or for 1 bucket, I pay $21.95. So the better deal is the 5 gallons for $97.45. Backside. Use each unit rate to find the total. So Caleb drives 3 hours at 15 miles per hour. How far does he travel? So for 3 hours, so if I go 15 miles per hour, he travels for 3. That's 3 times 15. 3 times 15 gives me 45. So he can go 45 miles. Larissa buys 5 hats at $9.99 each. How much did she spend? 5 times $9.99. That gives me $49.95. Marinda works for 7 hours at $10.25 per hour. So that would be 7 times $10.25. That gives me $71.75. That's how much she makes. We will be done with 24.25. So that's the concept there. So here we go. Jesus bought 3 pairs of jeans for $71.40. How much would he need to pay for 8 pairs of jeans? So I have to take $71.40, divide that by 3, so $71.40. That means that I pay $71.40 divided by 3. That means that I'm paying $23.80 per jean. So if I need to buy 8 pairs of jeans, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply this by 8. So $23.80, I'm going to multiply that by 8. And I'm going to be spending, this would be $23.80 per jean. And then what we have is, if I multiply that by 8, we are paying $190.40. Morgan scored 41 points in 3 games. So how many points per game? So 41 divided by 3 gives me 13.67. So 13.67 points per game. How many points in 11 games? So I'm going to multiply that by 11, and I get 150.33 points. Andy drove 840 miles in 12 hours. So what's my unit rate, my speed? 840 divided by 12 gives me 70. So he goes 70 miles per hour. How far can he go in 3 hours? If I multiply that by 3, I get 210. Pierre drives 825 miles to California. The trip takes him 17 hours. He uses 38 gallons of gas on the trip, which cost him $125. So find his speed first. So his speed was 825 miles for 17 hours. So 825 divided by 17 gives me 48.53 miles per hour. So his gas mileage. So he bought 38 gallons of gas on the trip, which cost him 125, but what was his gas mileage? So what I do is I take how many miles he went, and I have to divide that by how many gallons he bought. So let's go ahead and check that out. 825 divided by 38 gives me 21.71. So he was able to go 21.71 miles per 1 gallon of gas. So that's what it wanted me to figure out. And then it says find the unit price he paid for the gas. So we got to take 38 because that was how many gallons, or actually, price for the gas. So we got to take the price, 125, and we divide that by 38, and we paid $3.29 per gallon. And we are done.